Mohawk Finishing Products is excited to reveal our new revolutionary coloring tool called the Brush Tip Graining Marker. It's now possible to obtain artist quality results over all types of fills with a marker. That's correct, I said a marker. Let's take a look at some of the physical properties of the brush grainer. The body of the marker holds a felt reservoir filled with a non-bleeding dye formula. Non-bleeding means it won't easily disperse into the top coat and blur your grain lines. What you see is what you get when you top coat the repair. Our proprietary transparent dye formula allows you to layer color without the repair looking muddy. The tip is designed extremely fine and tight. The micro point can create lines not much larger than the width of a human hair. Having it compressed so tight and tapered allows the brush to regain its shape instantly after each stroke. These brush grainers are available in 12 wood tone colors and can transfer color on every fill we have, including fill sticks. Check the right picture and notice how the line stayed sharp after the fill was coated with lacquer. The next example shows the same results on a plain stick fill. Anyone can produce a wide variety of lines as illustrated in this picture. Drawing lines is all well and good, but let's show you what those lines can turn into. This wood chip was totally reproduced on a natural epoxy fill using nothing but these brush grainers. The extremely thin wood tone streaks and grain lines were all created with the micro brush point. We would now like to show some repairs on different fills. The coloring is complete on all these repairs, and we'll use a strong lacquer solvent to remove the color and reveal the fill. The first repair is colored over an epoxy stick and raw wood. This next repair is over a plain stick burn-in. And this last repair was done over our patented quick fill filler. The coloring was very easily accomplished over all of these fills. We'll show just one to demonstrate the procedure. This plain stick burn-in repair demonstrates all the steps necessary to achieve a great repair. You can apply this color directly to the plain stick. We'll use a combination of brush grainers to complete this repair. You can do an entire repair with these brush grainers from background to midtones to graining color. I'm applying a light tint of color to the plain stick so it matches the tone of the wood better. I wipe over the color to knock down some of the shininess that can sometimes build up when using a dye color. I'll now change to a different brush grainer and start darkening up that background color. Build the color in thin streaks to make it look natural. Multiple colors look more natural than one solid color. Another great feature of these brush grainers is you can build multiple layers of color without a coat of lacquer between each layer. This can save you 15 minutes or more if multiple coats of lacquer were used in the past. After the coloring is complete, spray light coats of lacquer on the repair so the color doesn't blend and flood together. If you start with light coats, it's going to look good. If you flood the repair with top coat, it will blend the colors together. After a few light coats, you can then spray a heavier coat on the repair without affecting the color. These brushes are preloaded with color. This feature is measured to cut your coloring time by 70 to 80% when you take into account mixing of the colors, continuously having to load your brush, and cleaning your brush between colors. They're maintenance free. Each brush has its own color and will be able to be used until the color runs out. There'll be no need to clean the brush. Once the color is close, you can start adding some dark grain lines. Use your imagination and only replace what looks natural. We'll only add a few to transition into this repair. Little to no odor. This allows it to be used in any setting. These brush grainers are very portable and easy to carry with you on a job site. You don't have to worry about powders, extra brushes, or liquid to drag along. The grain lines are in place and look very natural, but the body of the fill still looks a little light. You can precisely tint those light areas with a micro tip to get the color dead on. This is why these dyes are great, because it allows you to do that without flooding a lot of color on the area all at once. The tip is so fine you can put the color exactly where you want it. So if you have a tiny light spot, you can just hit that one spot and make it darker. This repair took 4 minutes and 20 seconds from start to finish. You'll be able to achieve the same results just as easily. These brush grainers can be used on all types of repairs in all types of industries. Furniture, cabinet, and millwork are only a few that come to mind. Wherever there's a scratch or ding that needs touch-up, this brush grainer can be your coloring system. For more information on this product, contact your local Mohawk representative.